Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've had pizza. Granted, I don't really consider this a real pizza place, the pizza company. But they have a new flavor, a couple new flavors, but this is jalapeno bacon, so I thought I'd try it out. They actually messed up my order, but it still gave me the flavor I wanted. So this is the New York thin crust version. Just came to the table right now. Looks like there's barbecue sauce on it, that's a mistake. So, but not, as you can see, I don't see too many jalapenos on there. There's no tomato sauce on this. So, not a fan of that. I like my pizzas to have tomato sauce on there. And one thing that's unexpected are these sausages. I don't remember seeing that in the photos, but they're okay. The bacon is obviously real though. It's not fake bacos or anything like that. See what this is. Yeah, that's like a kind of a sweet barbecue sauce. Well, if you like white pizzas, then this is alright. I mean, it does taste okay. Just I like tomato sauce on my pizza. Let me bite into the crust here. Yeah, I guess standard pizza company crust. It's not really chewy, you know. The dough they use here isn't really chewy like a real pizza place. But anyways, just thought I'd show you guys. Alright, see you in the next restaurant.